This is summer 2020 question paper 1-1. Okay, paper 1, variant 1. Question 30. Now, which reaction produces an organic anion with a good yield? Now, let's look at all the reactions in A, B, C, and D and see which one can give us an organic anion. Now, what is an organic anion? For example, I have carboxylic acid. Okay, let's say I have carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid. Okay, ethanoic acid can react with a base. Let me put sodium hydroxide here. Okay, to form an anion, CH3. Okay, COO negative. This is an anion. Okay, and A positive and H2O. So acid-base reaction, neutralization will give us a salt and also water. And then this salt can dissolve in water and give us an ion and also cation. Okay, I'm just going to erase this and write them in separate ions. Okay, so a carboxylic ion like this is called an organic anion. There are other types of organic anion also. I'm just giving an example here. So now let us go back to the question. We look at which one will give us an organic anion. Okay, let's look at A. Now when I have ethane nitrile, CH3CN, okay, or you can write it as CH3C triple bond N, heat under reflux with dilute sodium hydroxide. Okay, hydrolysis. Okay, hydrolysis of ethane nitrile. So will give us a compound that looks like this. Yes, there is an organic anion form. So A, okay, A we will get a good yield of organic anion. Okay, let's put a tick on A and then we're going to check on other reactions. Now let's look at B. B, we have ethane nitrile. Okay. This time hydrolysis with dilute sulfuric acid, we are getting a carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid. Now, although ethanoic acid can also dissociate in water to give us an ion, okay, and hydrogen ion. But because ethanoic acid is a weak acid, so we actually do not get a lot of anion, okay, from the dissociation of carboxylic acid. So now this has a low yield of organic anion. Let's look at C now. Heating ethane with sodium metal. Okay, no reaction. Ethane will not react with sodium metal, thus will not give us any anion. D. Heating ethanol under reflux with dilute sodium hydroxide. we use sodium hydroxide, okay, heat together with ethanol. Ethanol is not a strong acid, not even a weak acid. It will not react with sodium hydroxide. So D also not the answer. So the answer to this question is A.